BMW's lane departure warning, or lane assist, alerts you if you unintentionally drift out of your lane. While it enhances safety, many drivers find it intrusive. Method 1, via the iDrive menu. Use the iDrive controller, navigate to Settings, Driver Assistance, Lane Departure Warning, and toggle it off. Confirm any pop-up warnings. Method 2, steering wheel button for newer models. Hold the Lane Assist button on the multifunction steering wheel until the indicator light turns off. Method 3, permanent disable for advanced users. In some models, access vehicle settings in iDrive to set it to off and save preferences. Remember to test in a safe area after deactivation. Lane Assist uses cameras to detect lane markings and provides warnings to help keep you in your lane. It's part of BMW's Driving Assistant Professional package, which includes other safety features. Lane Assist has limitations in poor visibility or on unmarked roads where it may not function properly. If Lane Assist reactivates after disabling it, check for over-the-air updates in the My BMW app and opt out if possible. Procedures vary by model year and trim, so consult your vehicle's manual or dealer for specifics. Remember to always prioritize attentive driving, even with Lane Assist disabled. For hybrids or electric vehicles like the i4, ensure Lane Assist is not linked to regenerative braking settings if you want to keep it disabled.